Hi guys, this is MJ Pip guys, and on this lesson I'm going to walk you through what the trading view app is. So now recently we said that maybe if you have been working with us on this channel guys, we have been working on a series which is of the financial market, and we make mention of many things, and we make mention of some of the basic requirements that you need to navigate the financial market with. And we said that one of the stuff that you need an Android phone or any application phone, or maybe you need a PC, that is computer system. And the second thing that we said was that you need some trading app, and we say one of the trading app is your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and you did your trading view. Even though there are other apps, but I think with MetaTrader 5 and trading view you are good to go. So on this particular video I'm going to walk you through what a trading view is and some of the simple ways you can make use of the trading view app. So the first thing that you need to do is I'm using my phone for the course of this. I'm using my phone. So the first thing that you need to go is that if you're using an Android phone, you just need to go to your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, you just go to your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, you just click on just search on trading view. Just click on trading view. Once you type on trading view, look at it here, you see it, trading view app, you open it. So now since I have it already, they said I'm to update the app, so I'm having it already. This is what I want to do. I'm not to update it, but for you it to show install. So what you need to do, you need to install the app. Once you are done installing the app, the next thing that you need to do is to open the app. So like let me go back to my trading view. Don't forget, if you are installing the app, this with the one that has this logo, this is the trading view that you're going to make use of, the one that have this particular logo. So now since I've already opened it, let me just go to my trading view. So now this is the logo that I'm saying you need, the one that have this particular logo. So once we have installed the app, then you need to open the app. Once you have opened your app, I think now this is the trading view dashboard. This is the dashboard. So now you will see now there are different stuffs, I mean to see different stuffs within the user interface. So you see here, you see there's a watch list, there is chart, there is explore, there is ideas, and there is menu. So I think now the first thing now is your watch list. Now these are the watch list, means these are the particular types of instrument. You know what we say concerning instrument or asset. Maybe if you don't know what an instrument is or an asset is, just go to our there are videos there. Especially you can go to the financial market or trading 101. There's a brief introduction what these are. So now first thing, this is your assets. So you go on your watch list. I mean, these are different asset or instrument that you are going to trade. Now these are the instrument that you are watching per se. So now I think you can just you can toy with this. Maybe once you click on one, now you see that it will still open. Now let me say let me click on GBP USD JPY. Once you click on one, now it will open. This way it will give a little brief on what the instrument is doing. So you can see it in one. Let me go this go around to the, so I've clicked ideas. This is what you're fine. Then once you have clicked on the last one, let me jump chart, because this way I'm doing my main work. So once you click on explore also, you see once you click on this, you see there are different stuffs here. Also you see there's news, there is calendar, there is brokers, there is different stuffs here. You are going to maybe and you want to know concerning a particular, maybe you need news concerning a particular instrument that you are trading. Once you click, it will still open news. You see different news concerning what particular instrument is doing. So once you click on the news, it will open. You will see different concerning if it's stock market. You see it. Now these are different news concerning. I remember I said I'm using my phone now. You know there is difference between trading view on phone and trading view on system. They are different. So now this is trading view on phone, guys. So now this for news. This for once you click it will, you are still on explore. If you want to check on calendar, maybe you want to check any news that anticipate, maybe you are someone that's trading fundamental analysis. Once you click, you will know the time that is under the calendar. Once you click that is you go and explore, you go to calendar. Once you click, you see it. These are different fundamental expectation or news that people are expecting. So it's still here on trading view. Even though some people you can still use app like the forex factory, fxstreet.com for your fundamental analysis. But the advantage of using a trading view app is that it has been embedded on trading view. No need for you to like start using other apps. If you can use this for your analysis, remember guys, one of the basic important of trading view is for your analysis, is for you to make your analysis. So now on this date you can check your news, you can check broker. So now once you are on idea, you can click on ideas. Also you can see other people's opinion on certain instrument. Maybe you see what they are saying, what they have done, the analysis they have done. You see different analysis. Now there is different people's analysis on gold, what people are saying. So you can still like toy with this so that you can see maybe this what people are expecting, this what people have analyzed, their own personal opinions, guys. But lastly also okay, before that we can click on menu. Once you click on menu, it will bring you to this. Now you can still select certain things that you want here. This where you put your email address. This is maybe you want to add followers, and here also there is provision for settings. Now settings, once you want to like maybe you can change this. Let me change this. Maybe now it's light, it's too bright, you want to change it to be dark. You can click on this, it will become dark. That is, you want everything to be a little bit dark. So once you click on this, you see it has become dark. Maybe that's what you want. Maybe there is you want your chart to be dark. Then if you don't want it to be dark, so now everything have turned to be dark, to be black. If you don't want the dark, you can go back and click on light also. Now you can just toy on this, check the one that is more preferable and more convenient for you. Now this is your own personal tools, guys. So now lastly, the main thing that I want us to is the chart, which I've said I'm going to jump. So let's go on chart. You click on chart. Once you are in chart here, this is where the main magic happens, guys. This is where you see your chart, you see your candlesticks. If you don't know candlestick, you can see there are videos that we have discussed what a candlestick is. So now this is where you see your candlestick. This is where you analyze. This is where you know when to buy or when to sell, guys. This is the candle. So now even in here you can zoom in. You see you can zoom out or zoom in. You see you can zoom out or zoom in. If you can zoom in to see get a proper picture, you can zoom out also so that you see the real candle or what you want to see. That is still on trading view, guys. Okay, now at the downside you can see where it has been written euro usd. So once this euro usd, now if you are going to change the instrument that you are trading, let me say example, now you don't want to trade euro usd, you want to change it maybe to different instrument, let me say like gold. Just click on this. Once you click on this, you see different classes of instrument. As we have said earlier, you see it this on all. Now if you want to see only the stock market, you can go to stock market. It will show you these are for stock market, different stocks, guys. This is for stock market. If you want font, you see it here. If you need feature, you see it. Maybe let me go front also. There are other, just scroll it front. You see if it's fx forex that you need, you see it here. If it's crypto, you see it. If it's index bonds, they are different. So you can just toy with this so that you get. But for now we are on fx, so you click on forex. Once you click on this, now you see there are different instruments here. a different class of in different types of instruments here. So now based on what we are going to, you just select the instrument that you need. Maybe you need let me say you want to go on GBP USD. You can click on GBP or USD. Once you click on GBP USD, now you see GBP USD chart has appeared. So now this is how you change one instrument to another instrument. So now you see you just click on it, or even though maybe let me say you don't want to like look for the instrument, you can still go or click on all, then you search. Once you click on, let me say example, you click on all this, or once you click, then you can still search. There's provision for search. You can still search euro, euro, u okay, USD. You see it will appear. Once this appear, you just enter, you go, you click on it. So any instrument that you're looking for, you can still search it using the same method. Maybe you don't want to go to the class of instrument, you start searching the individuals. You can just click on all, then you type the instrument that you're looking for. That is all. So that is it for this. Then the next thing that I want you to know here is what we call a time frame. No, we make mention of what a time frame is. If you don't know what a time frame is, just go to our guidelines to becoming a successful forex trader. So click on that, you see what we make mention of. There we make mention of what a time frame is. So now what you need to do here is for you to change the time frame. The summary of a time frame is just like your Google map. It will give you the big picture and the small picture of your candlesticks. So now maybe you want to change your time frame, you just click on, you see this 15M, it means 15 minutes. So you can click on this. Once you click on this, you can see different time frame here. There are different time frames, and you can see still select the particular time frame as your favorite time frame. See those ones with stars, they are the one that I've already selected as my favorite time frame. So this is it for that. But if you want to make use of this, you can still select them. So now you see different. Let me say example, I want to go to my 4 hours time frame. You click on 4 hours time frame. Once you click on it, automatically your chart will change. You see the nature of your candle will increase, will become more bigger, because now you are seeing the big picture of what is going on. So if you want to like go to your 1 hour time frame, maybe you want to change the time frame, the candle, you want to make the candle, you want to see what is inside those candles, you can go to your, let me say, different time frame. You get to know what the time frame is properly, guys. So but for now, I'm just trying to explain what the trading trading platform is. So now you can go to 15 minutes to see the more smaller. So now this is how you change your time frame. Then if maybe let me say you want to like put on, now you see now there are some lines, some tools that I've been using, you see them. Maybe you want to add any drawing tools. So what you need to do, I'm coming, let me change the time frame. So now let me say example, you want to put things like this. You see these lines that they have there, you want to put this kind of tools, these lines, your lines. How you can locate them is simple. You just click on this thing that look like a pen. You click on this guy here that look like a pen. Once you click on this that look like a pen, it will open different tools for you to select. You see it, these ones with stars, they are the one that I've already marked as my favorite. You can still mark yours as your favorite based on the one that you want to be using. So how you do that, you select a trading tool. Is simple. You just click on it. Once you click on it, it will open. Then you see this thing that look like cross. You click. Once you click, it will show you how you want to place it. Then you place it. Do you want to place it? Now you see like this, it has been placed already. Now if I want to undo this, it's very simple. If you want to remove this, you just click on what you have clicked before. You see this arrow, this sign of the tools that you have opened, then you click on it again. Once you click on it, then you come and type on the instrument and the tools that you have put, then you delete it. If you want to undo this, so now if you want to add another tools, you enter, click on this. Once it open, then you select one. Maybe I want to put on trend line. You click on trend line. You see trend line. Now I want to draw my trend line. You can move this arrow up. Once you move the arrow up, then you from this each example, you click on it. You see it. This is how we draw. We use trading analysis and tools. This is how you pick your trading tool. Your trading tool. You keep it now. You see my trend line is there. Now you can add different trading tools. So you can even, now I told you, if you want to undo these trading tools, you just click on it again. You see it, it has disappeared. Once then you type on the the what you have drawn, then you just click on this delete here. That's so you have gotten rid of that. So once you click, maybe if you want to add get a particular, because let me show you this. You see from this my site here, this side now, you see I have different tools already. I've selected this as my favorite tool, so no need for me to be like clicking this, like click this, you open, you select. To me it's a little bit wasting of time. So what you need to do is just like you can select your favorite tools. You see from here you can just do anything that you want to do. Even though I want to add my, let me see, my Fibonacci. See it from here, I don't need to waste time and go there and start looking for Fibonacci. The only thing I need to do is just click on there, highlight it. It has already been highlighted. You see my Fibonacci is already out, so I can add different tools easily once I'm using the, once you see it, once you have select a particular um your favorite tools, I mean to say. So now you see it at once, you don't need to be entering, do this. So now let me undo this, let me get rid of this so that my chart will not be messy. So how can you select this? It's very simple. Just click on that. Also, once you click on this that look like a pen, what you need to do is press and hold the trading tool that you want to use. For example, this, what you just need to do is just for you to press it and hold it. You see, once you press and hold, they will say remove favorite. You remove from favorite, you click, it has been removed. If you want to add this to your favorite, you just press and hold it. Once you press and hold it, you automatically have added this. Now if you want to add this also, you can press and hold, you can add. Once you have added that, then what you need to do is just to go back. You see it appeared here, you see it here. These are my tools and they're already here. So now this is how you use your you select your trading tool. So I don't know if maybe you are new on this channel, don't forget to smash on the subscribe button and also smash on the alarm button. And if there's something that is still finding it difficult to understand, don't forget, you can drop that on the comment box. And maybe there's any topic or any video that you want us to work on, just drop it on the comment in provision there over there, guys. This is MJ Peeps.